The Jeep Grand Cherokee is a legend for off-road prowess and comfort, but some model years are riddled with issues. Let's break down the worst offenders and why you should steer clear. First up, the 1999 to 2004 WJ generation. While rugged, these years have chronic window regulator failures, windows that won't stay up. Worse, the 4.7-liter V8 engine is prone to oil sludge, leading to premature engine death. Repair costs? Up to $4,000. The 2006 to 2010 WK generation's 3.7-liter V6 engine struggles with power and overheats, causing head gasket failures. The 4.7-liter V8 here also has oil consumption issues. Owners report constant trips to the mechanic. 2011 is a hard avoid. The 5-speed transmission is notorious for rough shifting and total failure. Add failing TIPM modules causing electrical gremlins and you've got a money pit. 2014's totally integrated power module, TIPM, fails frequently, killing the AC, fuel pump, or even stalling the engine. Repairs can hit $1,500, not worth the risk. The 2015 EcoDiesel model was plagued with emissions scandals, leading to lawsuits and buybacks. Even non-diesel models have engine stalling and sensor issues. So, what should you buy? The 2013, 2017, and 2022 models are standout years for reliability. Always check the VIN for recalls and get a pre-purchase inspection. Got a Grand Cherokee story? Drop it below. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video. Stay savvy out there.